Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Now, I know there's a lot of big earnings going on tonight and tomorrow. It's been a crazy week for earnings, so I don't want to take too much of your time as I'm sure you're watching some other stuff. But I do want to bring Sleep Number, ticker SNBR, to your attention. Sleep Number doesn't have earnings until next year, so that's nice. One less thing to worry about. But what it does have is a nice little sideways base of consolidation. And, this is something I've been watching the last couple of days here. You can see if I zoom out, it had a longer base of consolidation. Went sideways for almost 3 months, moved up nicely, about 30%, and has just been consolidating that move. And that's kind of what this does. It has a nice move, consolidates, has a nice move, consolidates, has a nice move. And so now we're in that consolidation phase again. And I think that this is one that could move if the market does turn around. The fact that this stock has been holding up above all its major moving averages during this market volatility definitely shows some relative strength. So I have an alert on SNBR at 65.50. That's just around this high here. Now, I think what you want to do is watch for it to get above and stay above that level and do it on higher than average volume. So it could offer you a nice swing trade to the upside and get you in a stock that will actually let you sleep at night because it's not that volatile. Pun intended. So I hope that video was helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. We'll catch you next time.